Okay, now how to solve this question by completing square, right? Now I know most of students try to do this with the formula, right? Quadratic formula. But now I will show you how to do with the completing square using completing square method. Because some students think this is very difficult. Yeah, for some question it's very difficult. For some it's easy. So this actually this is very simple question. This question you can do with even using factorizing, right? You can solve this. So I choose here very simple one first, because then you can understand how to the complete in square, right? Then after I will discuss little difficult one, right? Now here what the first thing you should do, right? Okay, I will explain to you what we are trying to do here. Now you can think here like this, x square equal 4. If you got like this, what we will do to remove this square, we will put here square root, and then square to square root cut. Here will be x equal plus o minus 2. Like that we can solve. No, we try to make that this equation uh, uh, to this kind of format. You have in one side completely square, right? Complete square. Then you can put no square root for this side and this side. That's our target. So what we should do here, first this minus 12 bring to this side, right? Minus 12, that means this number without x, right? This number bring to other side. So after you bring, it will be like this 4x, and here will be plus 12, because here minus, now it will become plus. Okay, now what we should do here, you have to do what this coefficient we call coefficient, uh, coefficient of x, not the x square, but the value with x, this value divide by 2, right? Divide by 2, always divide by 2, right? This number divide by 2. So 4 divided by 2, answer is 2, and then get square of that. 2 square means 4 again, right? So that's the idea. Now we can add 4 for both sides. I mean, in an equation you can add same value to both sides, so it's not change anything. So that's why we are trying to do that. This 4 add to here and here also, right? Because why, then after we can make this like a complete square, right? You have learned this actually when you got like this kind of expression, right? This kind of expression you can write this way: what the first term is square, x square. uh, Another way, we have another way, little bit long way to get this answer, but there's a short way also. What the first one is square, first term into second term into 2, x into 2 2x, 2x into 2 4x, right? 4x, and second term square again, that means 2 square, that means 4. It's like this. Now we try to do what, if you get this, you can write this. So that means if you have this, you can write this format, right? That's the idea. Here we make this format, right? Part of this equation, this number we put to here, and this part we make to be like this. Here we are nothing change. Same thing now we add to the both sides, right? So now this part we can make as a complete square, because this is, we can convert this, right? How we convert it, right? Now this is, because I wrote now here, but there's another way. When you have like this, you can get like complete square this way quickly. How? You have to get first one square root, right? Here we should, you have to remember separately here how to get that, how to get this number. What the actually in this completing square method, main things, two things you have to remember. What the how we add number here, I mean what number we need to add here, how to get it, that's the thing, first thing you need to know. Other one, how to make here complete square. Here what the number you should do, you should add here, you have to decide it how to get that number. This is the way. This one divide by 2, get the square of that, add to both sides. That's the one thing. Second thing you need to know, how to get the again complete square? Here complete square. It's very simple. First one is square root. First here x square root of that. You know x square root means x. So very simple x, and sign of the middle term. This one sign is plus, so I will put plus. Again third term, this one square root. 4 square root means 2, right? Then write the complete square like this. But this one again I will tell, first one this is square root and second term sign, third term square root, and close the bracket, put the square, then equal to here 16, right? Now what we this equation we bring only the 12 here and add same number to here, and this side I make as a square. Then I can put square root to this side and this side. Then here will be square to square root cut. Then here will be just x plus 2. And here will be square root of 16 means plus or minus 4. Right? Then you can write the x plus 2 equal plus 4 or, right, x plus 2 equal minus 4. Right? Now what we should do, bring this plus 2 to this side, so it will be 4. When you bring plus 2 to here, it will be minus 2, or minus 4 here. If you bring this plus 2 to here, it will be again minus 2. Now what will happen here? X equal 4 minus 2 mean 2, or x equal minus 4 minus 2 means same sign, no? So put the same sign and sum. 4 plus 2 means 6. So this is the answer, right? And keep mind here, this is very simple one, and if you know how to do this completing square methods, you can do actually little bit quick than the formula. And very important thing, another, here should be x square should be here coefficient of x square, value of the x square must be 1 here. Then you can follow this method. Otherwise you have to make here 1. If you have like thing here 2 or 3 or 5 or like that, you should divide by that number this all terms and make only 1 here. I will do that type of question next, then you can understand. So keep mind, to apply this complete square method, here must be 1, right?